If you're promoting products through TikTok Shop, but only getting free samples and no money, this is how I email brands to turn that traffic into paid partnerships. Whether you have 1K or 10K followers, this method works when done right. Hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bells on so you won't miss every time I post. Why should you email brands, even if they found you first? Some brands send samples and low commission links and hope creators don't ask for more. For smart creators, email back and negotiate paid posts, affiliate bonuses, or bundles. Most TikTok Shop brand reps can offer cash deals, but only if you ask for it. So when to reach out as a TikTok affiliate? This is when you want to reach out. You're consistently making product reviews or demo content with over 500 to 1,000 plus views per post. You've driven clicks or sales, even small ones. Screenshot that performance. You want to lock in deals before your niche gets saturated. So don't just say, I love your product. Show you know your audience and what they buy. List the actual products you want to promote, not just the collab in general. Keep a collab receipt folder, past link video sales, and screenshots. Use your TikTok Creator Center stats to show your reach, even if you don't have a formal media kit. This is my go-to email when I want to get more than just samples. It gets me paid. So screenshot this, and if you want help with what to charge, drop a comment that says TikTok Shop rate card and I'll post one. Don't just take samples, negotiate your value. You're already selling, so just get your coins too. Here's another email that you can use as well. So you want to screenshot this. These are great emails that will get you paid. I'm going to insert here some TikTok Shop creators, affiliates, on giving you tips on how to email brands and how to land paid deals. So I will insert that here. I will drop their TikTok handles in the descriptions if you want to check them out, because they do offer tips for all creators and new creators. So, and again, I will drop my TikTok showcase in the description as well if you're looking for great deals on TikTok Shop and just want to see how it works and the things they have. I compare it to Amazon, but it's the same things you get off of Amazon. But I'm going to include here, I'm not going to come back after this. I just want to make this quick video giving you emailing tips so you can land paid deals, whether you are a small creator or you have 10,000 followers. So I will include that here. I will catch you guys next time on my next video. Drop in the comments what else you would like to know about TikTok Shop, and we can get you a video answering those questions. Again, I won't be back after this. I'll just insert here these creators. See you next time on my next video. Thank you for joining.
If you want PR from your favorite brands, this is how you should email them. If the brands I want to work with don't reach out to me, I reach out to them. And this is how you format the email. Your name, your niche, a brief reason why you love the brand. Brief. Do not write 6 paragraphs. Do not write 5. Don't write 4. Don't write 3. Don't write 2. Don't write 1. Write a sentence. If you write through, and no one's reading that, like no one's reading that. After the brief explanation as to why you love the brand, then put your socials, TikTok, Instagram, whatever you post on, then put where they can contact you again, whether it be email, phone number, whatever. And then finally, thank you. That is it. And here's mine so I can show you what it sounds like. Hi, I'm a content creator that focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, humor, and wellness. I am in love with the insert brand here, and I would love to work with you, whether it be PR or collabs. Here are my socials. Enter social 1, enter social 2. Feel free to reach out to this email, enter email, or this phone number, insert phone number, thank you in advance. That is it. And from then they'll email back with like, hey, thanks, here's our PR list. Or, hey, thanks, send us that address. Or email this email right here and we'll get you in contact. It's so easy. It's so simple. That's all.
Okay, so the brand collab emails, y'all asked, I'm just answering y'all question. So from using Chat GPT, of course, my previous experience with it, I also created a media kit over on Canva, which was real popping at one point. People use those heavily with IG, and I think it's just a nice thing to show. Here's mine. Okay, a nice thing to show people so they can see who you look like. I don't know, it gives you a little bit more of your personality. Okay, so here is one of the little blurbs I said. It goes, my name is Lisa Holly Quinones. I'm reaching out to tell you how much I love your brand and its mission. I am a micro influencer. Key point to acknowledge who you are in the space. I'm growing my following, so like it just also sets the tone. Like I ain't all the way where you may think, but I do have a community and I influence. I tagged one of my YouTube videos because this one was for kinders. In your brand because it aligns with my mission and my niche. And y'all know I'm a no niche, but you know when you're talking to the brands, you gotta give a little pizzazz. Also add my media kit, which has further details, my following and things like that, as you can see right here. Okay, so. Anyways, you can take little blurbs of that, utilize your insights. Now I did use my insights for my media kit. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And just plan a day, make a list of maybe 10. I believe, like, I know some content creators send like thousands and thousands. I like to send a small batch at a time so I can like be focused and do like a follow-up email. Some brands will send do like an auto email. Some send a more person, like an actual person response to the email to just let you know that they got the email, which would happen with kinders. So anyway, so good luck. If you send some emails or get some collabs or get some PR boxes, tag me in it and let me know. Good luck to us all. Go micro influencers. Cheers.
This is the email template that I'm currently using to reach out to brands for either paid or gifted collab opportunities. So to start out, I just put let's collab in the email, the brand name, and my own name. And then I kind of go into personalizing the email by putting the brand. I'll change that before I send it, and I change these up by each brand that I send the email out to. And then I kind of go into who I am. I'm a mom to a 13-month-old son, and then what my platform is, and I'll include my handle on there as well. And then I kind of go into a little bit about my journey on social media, how I've grown my following in a short time. Since I don't have a ton of followers, I think that just that quick growth is really an advantage to me. So I include that, and then kind of a little bit about my followers because I feel that it aligns with their brand. So I think that could be helpful for me. Then I kind of go into what the purpose of the email is. I would like to work with them on either a paid or gifted collab, and then just mentioning that I think their products would fit really well into my audience. Then I share my media kit. I can share a different video on what that is. I just made it on Canva. I share some stats, some information about me, and some examples of stuff I've done already. And then I just thank them for their time, and then I include there. I include links to both my TikTok and my Instagram, and then I send it off. Fairly simple. I don't overcomplicate it too much. I've sent out closer to 30 emails here in the last couple days, and I've gotten probably closer to 10 to 15 responses. So far, I think it's working really well for me, and I'm excited for this journey of pitching myself to brands. And if this is something that you're interested in doing yourself, I'll scoot out of the way for a second so you can screenshot this and personalize it yourself and send it to brands too.
You can also screenshot this one. I would definitely take all of these tips if you're trying to be paid partners.
Well, thanks for watching.